Hey there, pet lovers. Today we are going to talk about another topic that all pet owners should know about. It's a problem that can affect all pet owners. Now, we love our furry friends for their playful antics, their unwavering loyalty, and their uncanny ability to make us smile even on the gloomiest of days. Their presence is like a ray of sunshine, brightening up our lives in ways we never thought possible. But let's face it, there are some aspects of pet ownership that are, shall we say, less than glamorous. From cleaning up after them to dealing with unexpected messes, it's not always a walk in the park owning a pet. Today, we're diving head first, or should I say tail first, into one of those topics, anal gland expression. Yes, you heard that right, folks. I often wonder why it's not called anal gland extraction, because it is the removal of something. I, at first, had never heard of it, but I caught my little buddy scooting across the floor on my brand new carpet, and I had to research it further. Now, before you click away in disgust, I promise we'll keep things light, breezy, and maybe even a little bit hilarious. After all, they say laughter can be the best medicine, right? Think of it as a crash course in all things stinky and squishy, but with a healthy dose of humor to make it all bearable. So sit back and let's navigate this smelly subject together. Okay, so what exactly are these mysterious anal glands we speak of? Let's break it down in simple terms. Well, picture this. Two tiny sacs located strategically beneath your pet's tail, just waiting to unleash their pungent fury upon the world. Most pets' anal glands empty naturally when they pass stool and may never need to be expressed. But some pets' glands may need to be expressed once or twice a year or even every month. This could be due to a change in stool consistency or their breed. This can make it harder for the glands to empty. Here are signs that your dog may need their glands expressed: scooting their bottom on the ground, excessive licking, straining while pooping, blood in their stools, or a noticeable unusual fishy smell. These little guys are responsible for producing a foul-smelling liquid that animals use to mark their territory and communicate with each other. It's their way of saying, hey there, I was here. We all know about the territory marking thing, right? It's nature's way of keeping things interesting for us and our furry friends. But hey, who are we to judge? Every creature has its quirks. Just be glad your furry friend doesn't communicate through interpretive dance like some kind of furry performance artist. That would be a whole different kind of challenge. Now, let's move on to the nitty-gritty of why we're really here. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Please like and subscribe to this video. All right, folks, let's talk about that scooting across the floor that we all know, and I am not going to say it is one of the pet owner favorites. No, I'm not talking about zipping around on a scooter like it's a fantastic summer vacation. I'm talking about that peculiar behavior our furry friends engage in when they drag their behinds across the carpet, the grass, or any other surface they can find. If you've ever witnessed this charming display, you know it's not exactly the most graceful sight in the world. Sometimes it can drive us crazy. I know because it definitely can hit a nerve with me, but as amusing or mortifying as it may seem, scooting can actually be a sign that your pet's anal glands are in need of some attention. You see, when those glands get full or impacted, they can cause discomfort and even pain. It's not just a quirky habit, it's a cry for help from our little friends. And what's a dog or cat to do when they're feeling uncomfortable down there? They can't exactly tell us in words. It's their way to relief, of course. It's their instinctive way of trying to solve the problem. It's their way of trying to alleviate the pressure and itchiness. They might not have hands to scratch, but they sure know how to improvise. Think of it like this. Imagine wearing a pair of pants that are 2 sizes too small. The discomfort would drive you to do something about it. You probably do a little dance or two to try and loosen them up, right? Maybe even a full-on wiggle session. Well, that's essentially what your pet is doing when they scoot. They're just trying to find some relief and comfort in the only way they know how. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the skunk in the living room. Yes, we're talking about that unmistakable, eye-watering odor. We all know that dogs and cats aren't exactly known for their sweet-smelling perfume scent. They have their own unique, natural aroma. If you find yourself reaching for the air freshener every time your furry friend walks by, it might be more than just a passing whiff. When these glands are functioning properly, they release a small amount of fluid during bowel movements. This is a natural process that usually goes unnoticed. It's the kind of smell that makes you question your life choices, like why you decided to become a pet owner in the first place. But don't despair. Just like a clogged drain can be cleared, so too can impacted anal glands. A visit to the vet can make a world of difference, and trust me, your nose and your guest noses will thank you for it. A fresh smelling pet is a happy pet, and a happy pet makes for a happy home. The age-old question that has plagued pet owners for centuries to express or not to express. It's a dilemma worthy of Shakespeare himself. Okay, maybe not quite, but you get the point. Deciding whether or not to tackle your pet's anal glands is a big decision, and one that shouldn't be taken lightly. Let's just say it's not exactly the most glamorous task in the world. Okay, guys, so now you know. When you notice your little furry buddies scooting more often than usual, just know that it is time for you to take them to your favorite vet for a simple checkup. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you and your furry friend. Remember to please like this video and subscribe to this channel so that we can continue to bring you more free videos. As always, stay healthy and continue to be safe.